what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter Blog, and today we're going to open the Papierre stationery subscription of December. Now, I say this every month, but this video is not sponsored. I do receive this pack of stationery for free. This letter writing paper, I do receive it for free. But I do not get paid to say anything or do anything or film anything, and all opinions are my own. That being said, if you do end up subscribing to Papierre, of course fill out the form where it asks you how did you find out about Papierre with my name, Vivian, or Vivian from the Paper Letter Blog, so that they know that I sent you. So that being said, I am just going straight into opening this because I'm actually once again pretty excited. I always receive their newsletter emails, and it said something about a stationery. What am I saying? It said something about a snail mail theme, which obviously is kind of perfect for letter writing. So I'm quite curious to see what it is. Other than that, I have not seen any spoilers, which is pretty great about Papierre. Do I have to tell you anything else? I don't think so. I always receive the 24 sheet pack, which means I get 4 of all 6 designs, and then they also kindly send me the envelopes. Oh my god. Okay, this is the note. Blah blah blah. So this month we're celebrating our hobbies and the friendships we've made and maintained with people all around the world through pen and paper. Snail mail. Yay! I'm so excited. Oh, and I already love the first design. So because it's almost Christmas, it's December, I know a lot of people expect Christmas themed stationery, but it actually makes sense that this is not Christmas themed stationery, because for a lot of people that would arrive way too late. Also because they always send out, is this 24 sheets? It looks like more. Because they always send out the subscription services first before it goes up in their Etsy store. So then if you would receive Christmas themed stationery now, it would be too late for people purchasing through Etsy. So, oh my goodness, first design, immediately love it. Beautiful typewriter, some flowers and a cup of coffee, and then a wax seal stamp. I mean, this is basically me in a letter writing paper. I also have a typewriter. I don't think I've mentioned that enough yet, but mine is actually kind of mint blue. I will show it in a video one day, just not now, but wow, this is absolutely perfect. I also kind of love that almost vintagey look of the purple background. Now let me just grab the matching envelope. Oh, that is pretty. You could write the address on here, although it is a little bit small for some international addresses. The other thing I find sad about this, and that's the last I'm going to say about it, is that I would almost have to cover up this beautiful image with the stamp because it's so big. But I guess I could put a stamp here, put one there, maybe a little bit there. That's the only thing I find sad about this, but other than that, I absolutely love it. And of course the wax seal design on the back. This has got to be one of my favorite designs they've made so far. Yeah, it is still 4 pieces, but it feels almost like the stack is thicker than usual. I don't know what that is about. Okay, next up is a color block one with a little boy and a pencil. Yep, my first thought definitely is that this is not really me. I'm not really, I don't know, it just doesn't really speak to me. It is cute and I like the colors, but I would not have chosen this myself, which is obviously totally fine. I might gift this to someone else, or I might end up still using it because it does have nice colors. Just gonna check the matching envelope again, the color block. I do like the color block. Kind of matching. You could also mix and match in terms of colors. The matching envelope. It is cute. I think a lot of people will like it, but it's just not really me. Which is also totally fine, because imagine trying to make a subscription that pleases everyone. That would be impossible. By the way, I don't know if you guys have realized, but I'm only doing this subscription nowadays, unboxing this subscription. I stopped with the Papierre, I stopped with the other two P's. I stopped with the paper gang and the pip sticks because I simply wasn't enjoying it that much anymore, and the videos weren't getting a lot of views, and I ended up with a whole lot of notebooks and a whole lot of stickers, which is okay, but I did not have use for them all. So I just decided to focus on La Papierre for now, which is, in my honest opinion for now, the most suitable to my channel as well, especially because it has letter writing paper. Then the next design is a design I actually already know. It is with little hands holding an envelope with hearts coming out, because there's this Dutch Etsy store. She changed her name, but her name used to be We Heart Confetti. I think that was her name. I forgot what her name is now, but her name used to be We Heart Confetti, and she used to sell die cuts that had this design in there as well. And I know how that is possible because this is an image that you can buy on, like, this is like a stock image that you can purchase, as far as I know. But that's why I already know it, but I also know that I quite like it. And then in the top corner it says "Send my love to you," and then the background has this beautiful ombre. This is definitely fun. It also kind of has that winter feeling because of like the icy blue. Quite like that. Quite like that. I'm definitely keeping that myself. And then let's find the matching envelope. Oh, that is pretty. And then of course there's "Send my love to you" on the back as well. Cute. I can totally picture myself trying to make a wax seal that combines these two colors as well. As always, let me know your favorite in the comment down below. Would you have liked to... Why is it so dark all of a sudden? There's clouds. Oh my god, it's like 1 o'clock. Is it 1 o'clock? It's 1 o'clock and it's dark. Yeah, let me know your favorites. Would you have liked to receive this one or not? Have you subscribed? Let me know everything. Oh my god, that is so cute. We've got a little ink bottle and a... Is that a dip pen? Is it called a dip pen? I don't know. We've got a fountain pen basically, and a little bubble that says bonjour. But the thing I like most about this is the background once again. Hello, can we get some sunlight please? I hope you guys can see this, but it has a very pretty, almost spun sugar kind of pink color, which I quite like. That is really, really me. Keeping that myself. And then the matching envelope is this one, which has again that spun sugar kind of color, and then the bonjour fine writing ink. Yep, I quite like that. Then let me see the next one. Oh my god, a Rescog card. That's perfect. That is perfect. I have one of those. I cannot really show you, I think, but it's here. It does not look nearly as neat. No, I don't think I can show you this. Can I show you this? Can you see that? Oh yeah, there it is. Like I said, it is not nearly as neat as the one in this image. It's actually a total mess, but it's kind of perfect. So we've got the little Rescog cart. It's from IKEA if you want to know, but I also know that a lot of other stores have something similar. A little cart filled with stationery, and then a little pencil case filled with stationery. And then the background is like grey marble look, which is quite nice, and a grid design. I don't think I've seen that before with their letter writing paper. Instead of the regular lines, we have a grid design. I have, if you've seen my videos, you know that I have something of love for grid pattern paper. I don't know why. I collect it. I have a lot of it already. People send it to me in mail. So this speaks to me on a whole other level. And then let me see. The matching design is this one. Please deliver to, with the beautiful grid design as well. Love that. I love that. And then the last one is this gorgeous, adorable little... Is it a reindeer? That could match with a winter theme, but because of the colorful background, it could match with anything. A little bit of a rainbow ombre look with some stripes, and then this little reindeer, and at the top it says airmail, and then here on the back it also says airmail. Oh, that is cute. I absolutely love that. Airmail, airmail, airmail. I don't even know which one is my favorite. If I had to choose, it would definitely, actually no, I do know, it would be the typewriter. That's my number 1. This one would be my number 2. Oops, and then I don't know anymore. This one would be my least favorite with the little boy. My least favorite. This is difficult. Oh, I don't know. I think these three are actually kind of a tie. I cannot really choose. Kind of depends on my mood. So that is this month's La Papierre subscription. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's not too dark. I don't know why it got so dark all of a sudden, but I hope you could see everything all right. As always, I will link their stationery subscription service down below. You can also check out their Etsy shop for designs of the previous months. I know these will also be available in their Etsy shop just a little bit later, because of course they don't want to spoil the content for their subscribers, which I think is very kind. I'm going to wrap up this video, but I hope you guys have an amazing day, have an amazing Christmas season, I guess I could say, and I will see you again very soon. Okay, bye bye!